This is Toshi Tabata, and this is a quick introduction to pointers and an attempt to give an intuitive understanding of them. But before we can understand what pointers are, we need to know a little bit about variables and where they are stored. Variables need to be kept somewhere, and is stored in memory, which we'll represent with this rectangle. So if we declare and initialize a variable of type integer, called number, at runtime this will be stored somewhere in our memory, like so. Within the memory, the variable will be assigned an address, and this address can be used to find variables, much like normal street addresses are used to find houses. So how does a pointer relate to all of this? A pointer is a variable, so it also gets stored in memory. But instead of being assigned a number, like our previous variable, it is assigned a memory address. For example, we'll use the address of a number variable. In C, a pointer's type is declared with a type, then an asterisk. In this case, we'll be holding the address of an integer, so it is declared with int star, and then we'll give it a name called number pointer. To be clear, int star is the type, and number pointer is the pointer variable's name. Okay, so a pointer holds an address, but how do we get the address of a variable? Well, we use the address of operator, which is an ampersand, and then we add the variable that we want to point to. Now we have a pointer that can access the variable from anywhere within our program. When we want to print the value of the variable that the pointer is pointing to, we use the dereference operator, which is an asterisk. This can be slightly confusing, but this is not the same as the asterisk that we used to declare the pointer in the first place. If we want to change the value of the variable, number, we can do this using the dereference operator. Now if we print number, it will show 10 instead of 5 since we changed its value through our number pointer. Okay, so let's quickly compile and run the program to look at the output. As you can see, the value of the number we got from using number pointer was 5, and after changing number through number pointer, it changed the actual number variable. So now that we have a little bit of an understanding about pointers, how can we use them? Well, a basic example that is impossible without pointers is changing a value of a variable using a function. Let's create a function called changeNumber with a pointer as the parameter, declared exactly like how we did previously. Within the function, we'll dereference the pointer and change its value to 10, like we did previously. Now, we call the function and pass in a pointer as an argument, and upon printing the number variable, we'll see that it has changed. So to summarize what we have covered, we have introduced the idea that variables are stored in memory and can be accessed using their memory address. We have introduced how pointers hold these addresses and can be used to manipulate other variables, and we have shown a use case for pointers that wasn't possible without them. This is Toshi Tabata, thank you for watching.